Hello everyone, and now we're going to start with another question that's already appeared in your board exam. So this is again an extension to the previous questions that we were working with, that were basically referencing the chapter 1 of your math class syllabus, of your 10th math class CBSE syllabus. So basically this one again is something that works with HCF and LCMs. So let's get into the question. The problem statement says that in a seminar, the number of participants in Hindi, English, and mathematics are 60, 84, and 108 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being in the same subject. Now, this is if you recollect from one of our previous classes, we had done a similar problem. So what basically it says is you have in Hindi around 60 participants, you have in English around 84 participants, and you have in maths or around 108 participants. That's well and good. So now you want to sit them, make them get seated in a set number of rooms, in which in each room number of participants should belong to only one subject, and the number of rooms required should be minimum, which means that the number of participants in each room have to be maximum. Now this is nothing but and they have to be find the minimum number of rooms if in each room the same number of participants, and they have to be same as well. So basically you're asking for same, you're asking for maximum, and you're asking for that each subject, participants in each subject be seated separately, which is nothing but your HCF, highest common factor. So again, in order to do this particular thing or to solve this particular question, we would first of all need to find the prime factors of this particular of these three numbers. So we've already written down the numbers over here. 60. So this again ends with 0. Again divide by 2. You're going to get this. Divide by 2, since it ends with 0, 5. Ends with 5, so divide by 5, and you're going to get this. 84 ends with 4, so we can divide by 2. Ends with 2, so you can divide by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, so you can divide by 3, and then 7, so you're going to get this. And 108. So again, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So basically your factors are for 60, it is 2 square into 5 into 3. For 84, it is 2 squares into 3 into 7. And for 108, it is 2 square into 3 cube. Now, in case you need to find the HCF, the HCF would ideally be the common factors taken to the least power. Oh, I just lost that. Yeah. So the HCF is going to be the common factors led to the lowest powers. So if you see, the common factors among these three is just 2 and 3. 5 does not appear here, 5 doesn't appear here, 7 does not appear in both of these numbers. So it's going to be 2 and 3. If you see, the lowest power of 3 is 1, 1 and 3. So it's going to be 1. And for 2 is 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. So it's going to be 2. So basically that's going to mean that 4 3s are 12. Your HCF is 12. Now, if you want to find the number of participants that need to be seated and all of them, if you need to find the number of rooms, and then the number of rooms is going to be, for Hindi, it's going to be number of rooms. For Hindi, it's going to be 60 by 12 plus, for English, it's going to be 84 by 12. For maths, it's going to be 108 by 12. So that's going to be 12 5s are 60 plus 7s are 84 plus 9s are 108. So that's going to add up to 9 plus 5. That's 14 plus 7, 21. 21 rooms. Now this is a bit messy, so just in case you don't understand, because I've gone all over the screen, you can read what's coming up over here. So that's what we've done. We need to find the HCF of these three numbers, and if you see this 21 over here is the same as the 21 we found over here as well. We've done the same prime factorization over here. We found the same factors over here, and that's the answer. So this is the solution to this particular problem. Please let us know if you have any further problems that you would like us to provide solutions for, or if you would like to see more such questions and answers, then please visit vyans.org, and we have a whole set of questions and classes, as well as set of problems there for you to solve and assess yourselves. Thank you and have a good day.